In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export WordPress posts with images. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the site editor. If it loads the navigation template, that's perfectly fine. You're in the right place. We're going to use the editor's menu to reach the export controls. Look toward the top right of the screen for the options menu, the one that reads, Access all block and document tools in a single place. Click that to open the panel. Inside this menu, locate the export option and select it. If you see export more than once, one to open the export panel and another to start the download, go ahead and click through as prompted. You'll land on an export screen with choices for what to include. Since the goal is to take posts with their images, make sure posts are selected and that media or attachments are included. Different setups label this a little differently, but you're looking for wording that confirms images or the media library will be part of the export. Keep that option enabled. When you're ready, choose Export again to generate the file. Your browser will prepare the package and then begin a download. Depending on your site size, this can take a moment. Don't close the tab while it's working. If the download doesn't begin, check that your browser isn't blocking downloads and click Export once more. A few quick notes. Exporting is read-only and won't change your live site. If you have many images, the file can be large, so make sure you have space in your Downloads folder and a stable connection. If your browser asks where to save, pick a location you'll remember. If you see a progress indicator, wait for it to finish before navigating away. The file you receive is typically a zip or an XML export that references posts and their attached media. Save it somewhere you can find easily. A quick way to confirm everything worked is to open the zip and look for a media folder, or, if you received an XML file, note that images are referenced as attachments and will come over during import when you choose to download file attachments. If you're prompted with a few final highlights after clicking Export, such as confirming the content type or acknowledging the download, simply continue clicking the highlighted buttons until the download starts. That's expected. Once the file is saved, you've successfully exported your WordPress posts with images. Keep this export as a backup or use it to move your content to another site. For larger sites, consider labeling the file with today's date so you can track versions